Welcome to the Art Project. Welcome to Inktober. Welcome to Pattern. I hope you're enjoying Inktober. I hope you're making lots of great art. I've been really impressed with some of the stuff I've been seeing on Instagram. So this is the brainstorming part of the thing. I was trying to come up with something for Pattern that wasn't just, shapes repeated over and over and over again or whatever. I wanted something really cool, but also in keeping with my challenge to do a skull. So I first thought of wallpaper, that I would like to do wallpaper, and then I thought of animal patterns. And I'm a big fan of the giraffe pattern. I don't know why, but I like the giraffe pattern. So I'm going to do a giraffe pattern. You'll see it coming up here in a second. Of special note, I have a piece of poster board on my desk that I've been doodling on, and that is the image you see there on the right. A friend of mine posed. I took a quick snapshot of him, and I've been trying out FW inks from Daler Rowney or whatever they're called. Really good stuff, and I'm going to use it here to do the patterns on this skull. I turned the skull around to face the other direction, and I mixed up some sepia and some other colors. So I just sort of made up my own giraffe pattern all over. Tried to get it smaller as it goes to the bottom and larger as they go to the top. I was looking at a giraffe on the internet for inspiration, but I didn't stick to anything that was on there very well. So I kind of like the way it turned out, although it sort of looks like a shower cap or something on there. So I like the pattern, and I like the I don't know, maybe it's a little bit too bold or something. But anyway, it's just Inktober, and so the idea is to draw and to have a good time drawing and to kind of meet each prompt. So I've been challenging myself to draw a skull for every single one of them. And so I've got a skull that I'm using as a prop. And yeah, I think it's turning out pretty good. It's interesting to see what kind of stuff you can come up with. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video somewhere, tell other friends about Inktober and about the Art Project, and don't forget to do Inktober yourself.